Before the first bottle is filled, the land gives everything it has. Each berry is chosen by hand. No machine can match this judgment.
Good color, no bruises. Stack them neat. Ready for the cart.
Nothing is wasted. Every berry moved with purpose.
Locked and ready.
The harvest moves fast. Ripe raspberries wait for no one.
Every kilogram is logged. Traceability begins in the field.
From this moment, every crate carries a history. Brix levels measured at source, sweetness guaranteed before transport begins. What is harvested today was grown through months of careful water management.
Steady now, bring it in. Good, next one. Last one, slide it back.
The field's work is done. The factory's work is about to begin. Sealed, certified, and moving, the cold chain begins. Every second matters. Raspberries degrade quickly once picked.
Trucks clear, closing the gate.
34 kilometers stand between the harvest and the first processing line. (2°C, the precise margin between fresh and lost. The land that fed the harvest gives way to the infrastructure that transforms it. The industrial zone rises ahead, its hum audible before it's fully visible.
Good afternoon. Papers and ID, please. Here you go. Checking now. Confirmed. You're clear.
Every delivery is verified. The facility accepts nothing without confirmation.
The yard is a choreography of weight and timing. Every vehicle knows its place.
Keep it coming. Straight back. Almost there. Contact in 3, 2, 1.
Contact made. The chain of custody transfers from road to facility. The raspberry's journey changes hands, from field transport to factory floor. Through these doors, raw fruit becomes something entirely new. Every step mapped before a single berry is touched by machine. Contamination is the enemy. Hygiene protocols are after it crosses the threshold. Processing has officially begun. 80,000 square feet of precision, every machine with a single purpose. From seed to soil, harvest to hopper, crusher to bottle, this is how the world gets fed. And this is how modern factories produce raspberry juice from start to finish.
Every step mapped before a single berry is touched by machine.
Contamination is the enemy. Hygiene protocols are absolute, no exceptions. White coats and hairnets are not formality. They are the first line of quality defense. From the outside, the scale is deceptive. The real complexity lies within. Please sign the logbook.
Understood. Signing now.
Every authorized entry is logged. This facility runs on accountability. The corridor is the transition. Noise grows with every meter forward. Inventory confirmed. The production order is released. The first crate crosses the threshold. Processing has officially begun. Before a single berry is touched, the vessel carrying it must be clean. Deep red, dense, fragrant, these berries are exactly what the line demands. Gravity does the first work, volume becomes flow. Cold water removes what the field left behind: soil, dust, residue. Washed and draining, the berries move upward toward the first sorting pass. Light sees what the human eye cannot, every defect exposed in milliseconds. Nine per 7% moves forward to the next stage. Machines set the standard, human eyes hold it. Every berry finds its grade. Nothing is misplaced in this system. The hopper is full. The core processing stage is ready to receive. "420 kilograms per hour, the line runs at full capacity. The crusher does not negotiate. It reduces everything to pulp in seconds. Raw pulp, the first true form of raspberry juice, before refinement begins. Pumped under pressure, every gram of pulp moves without pause. Pectinase breaks down cell walls, unlocking juice that would otherwise stay trapped. 90 minutes of enzymatic action. Patience is a processing variable too. Parallel processing keeps the line moving. No stage ever waits for another. The press extracts what enzymes released, liquids separating from solids under pure mechanical force. For the first time, raspberry juice, visible, flowing, almost ready. Clarity is not instant. It is earned through time, temperature, and precision. Clarified but not yet pure, filtration removes what settling cannot. Plate by plate, membrane by membrane, the juice is stripped of every impurity. Ruby red, clear, and true, the color confirms what the process has achieved. °C, the precise threshold where pathogens cannot survive. 25 seconds at peak temperature, long enough to make it safe, short enough to preserve flavor. From scalding to chilled in seconds, temperature is controlled with absolute precision. Four tanks, 4 batches, continuous production means nothing ever stops. Before packaging, oxygen is removed from raspberry juice, preserving its vibrant color, fresh flavor, and natural aroma. Standardization is the promise kept to every consumer, consistency in every bottle. Batch 4417 is approved and moving. The automation systems are waiting. The automation hall runs at a pace no human hand could match. Every bottle cleaned before it is filled. Contamination has no entry point here. "48 heads, one rotation, hundreds of bottles filled every minute." Every bottle of raspberry juice is inspected, ensuring perfect fill every single time. Crimped and sealed, raspberry juice is now protected for the journey to the consumer.
Every raspberry juice seal is tested, not assumed. Integrity is verified, bottle by bottle.
Every bottle is marked with its identity, traceable, verifiable, and permanent. The label is the brand's promise, applied with the same precision as the juice itself. 6 robots, perfectly synchronized, grouping raspberry juice with speed, precision, and consistency. Heat transforms film into structure. Individual bottles become a single shippable unit. The finishing line is where precision replaces speed, every detail examined. The human eye remains the final filter, ensuring every raspberry juice pack meets the standard. Weight confirms volume. Every raspberry juice pack must meet its exact standard.
Every code printed, every code verified, the supply chain demands perfect data.
Flat cardboard becomes a shipping container in less time than a breath. One robot, one motion, one case, repeated thousands of times without deviation. Sealed on all 6 sides, the case is now a unit of commerce. Every case carries its full history: origin, batch, destination, date.
Pattern before placement, the palletizer never improvises.
"24 cases, 6 layers, 1 pallet, the finishing line's final form." From the production line to the laboratory, every batch of raspberry juice is tested, not assumed. The laboratory is the factory's conscience, every claim tested here before anything leaves.
11.4 degrees bricks. Sweetness confirmed within specification. Acidity balanced. Too sharp and it bites, too flat and it disappears.
The color curve never lies. Anthocyanins tell the story of every berry used.
Microbiology results take 48 hours. The batch holds until science confirms it's safe.
This batch does not move until every result returns clean.
pH 3.2, water activity 0.982, the numbers that determine safety and shelf life. Partial release granted. Science and production move in parallel, not in conflict.
Partial release confirmed for batch 4417.
Copy, releasing hold.
Green light.
Batch 4417 moves forward into its final chapter.
6 layers of stretch film. The pallet becomes a single, immovable unit. From production floor to warehouse, the forklift is the bridge between making and storing. "18 meters of organized inventory, every pallet with a precise address.
Aisle 7, Bay 14, Level 3. The system knows exactly where every bottle rests.
12 degrees, 58% humidity. The warehouse is a controlled environment, not just a room.
Orders confirmed, pallets staged. The final movement is about to begin. The same cold chain that began in the field now extends to the distribution center.
Left, left, steady. Good. Next one, center. Final one, slide it in.
Every cubic meter of that hold represents hours of precision, field to factory to truck.
Sealed, documented, and dispatched. Batch 4417 leaves the facility for the first time.
And this is how modern factories produce raspberry juice from start to finish.
From seed to soil, harvest to hopper, crusher to bottle, this is how the world gets fed.